Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is a bit different. It's not the ones like perfect study day vlogs. It is one of those where I set targets, make to-do list and I just don't finish them. So in the morning, I have started ray optics and optical instruments along with the one-shot video. This is the first time I'm following Tamanna ma'am's video as I really needed I should learn it from basics. Earlier, I tried another one-shot lecture, but then that was too fast and too question-based, so I thought to start with this lecture. So it's 9:30 where I've almost completed 1 hour of the lecture and had my breakfast with this roll. It's a sweet chapati roll. After which I continued my lecture. So in the morning, I had decided to complete ray optics, revise semiconductors, revise P block, revise TNF block, everything as per the part syllabus test that I had to give the next day. But I didn't know that this chapter, ray optics, will take so long. And this very first study session of the day will leave me mentally drained. But the lecture was actually very good. It was from the very basics, so I could revise everything because my last revision of the chapter was I think a year ago. So for me to revise everything and had all points in my mind and my notes, this lecture was very useful, but actually it took a lot of time. Because the lecture which shows 2 hours, it takes 3 to 4 hours for us to write and complete and understand and take notes. So yeah, that way it took me 3 o'clock in the afternoon to complete the lecture. I don't know why, but every time when I watch any lectures or any one-shots regarding any subject, I always feel that I am not studying. Matlab, one-shots for me or lectures for me is not study. Whenever I sit down with a notebook and I read the lines and I understand it myself and I act as I'm teaching, that time when everything goes into my mind and I get assured that yes, I have done this topic, that process for me is study. So whenever I'm doing lectures, I always feel that ab next step kab karna, like when I'm doing the next part, when I'm doing the revision of this, when I'm solving questions of this. So for me that is study. Then when first step itself is so much time consuming, I get frustrated. I easily get frustrated. After that, as I had lost my concentration, I made this watermelon sharbat for everybody. It's generally a lemon sharbat in which I had put watermelon juice. So I added some fresh mint leaves from the terrace. After this, I had my lunch and took a break for a while. But yeah, my afternoon just went by. I won't say in laziness, but it went in anxiety. Then in the evening, I again got up with some motivation and some fresh thoughts. I took my table at the center of the hall. Because at the corners it was too humid. I don't know why nowadays the environment is turning humid. I took all the papers and the books, whatever I needed, and I sat down. And before starting anything, I made a short to-do list for the evening where I had listed D block, the remaining part of ray optics, as well as I had to revise P block. But again, I ended up just studying DNF block elements. It's a bit frustrating, right? You write down 10 things to do in the morning, but then as the day proceeds, you end up doing just 2 or 3 things out of those 10. But again, showing the next day the same energy towards study is what all aspirants regarding any examination are supposed to do. And that's what I am doing, you all are doing. And in case you're feeling stuck and unproductive, please keep in mind you are not alone. Every step, no matter how small, it is still a step forward. I didn't finish everything today, but I promised myself to finish everything that's left tomorrow. And if you're watching this, take it as your sign to keep going. You have got this, and so do I.